In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your primary design module framework in the Wix editor and use Preview to check for layout issues. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to your Wix site's editing dashboard. Once you're inside the Wix editor, make sure you're in the main workspace where your core design elements are visible. This is the area where you can review the primary structure of your page, including the main framework that holds your layout together. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the correct editing view is helpful, especially if you manage multiple pages or design sections, because it ensures you're checking the right part of the site before moving forward. After you're inside the editor, look toward the top of the screen for the header control bar. In that upper menu, find the option labeled Preview and click it. This opens a live preview of your design so you can evaluate how the layout behaves outside of the editing canvas. Preview mode is useful because it gives you a cleaner representation of the page, making it easier to spot visual bugs such as spacing issues, misaligned elements, or anything that appears out of place. If you're troubleshooting design consistency, this is one of the quickest ways to catch problems before publishing. As the preview loads, pay attention to the overall structure of the page. Carefully scan the layout and watch for bugs that may not have been obvious inside the editor itself. In some cases, the viewer may appear to freeze, behave unexpectedly, or show matching canvas lines twice. When that happens, don't worry. This usually means the preview hasn't displayed correctly, and the best thing to do is return to the editing view rather than continue troubleshooting from the preview screen. To do that, click Back to Editor. This will take you out of preview mode and return you to the Wix editor, where you can continue working safely in the design environment. Going back to the editor is especially helpful if the preview becomes unresponsive or if duplicate lines make it difficult to judge the layout accurately. Once you're back, you can recheck your design, make adjustments if needed, and then run preview again for another look. That's the full process. Access your main design area in the Wix editor through Chrome, use preview from the top control bar to evaluate layout bugs, and return to back to editor if the viewer gets stuck or displays duplicate canvas lines. This keeps your review process simple, efficient, and easier to manage while refining your site's layout.